3 people have been arrested in connection to the spice sickness over this last week, and just a few hours ago, a man was found unresponsive here between 12th and Imperial.
Last fall, San Diego headlines were filled with news about bad reactions to spice, from seizures to hallucinations to difficulty breathing. Spice is a man-made drug designed to react in the brain the same way as marijuana. San Diego paramedics used to be called to treat people who'd taken spice about 20 to 30 times a month. But last November, that number spiked to 62 times, and it climbed from there up to 201 in February. Heroin overdoses generated only a quarter of the number of EMS calls in the same month. But unlike heroin or other drugs, some types of spice can be bought legally in California.
The spice packages are sold as potpourri, but very expensive potpourri, and they look more like candy.
San Diego's Chief Deputy City Attorney Catherine Turner shows some brightly colored packages with cartoon characters and names such as Fruit Punch, The Joker, and OMG. This is all spice bought in the city of San Diego.
The packaging will say it's not for human consumption. It will say it's lab certified and legal in 50 states. Which is very unusual for potpourri.
Spice is made by mixing together chemicals that make you high and spraying them with paint thinner onto dried leaves. In 2011, the state banned 5 chemicals used to make spice, but Turner says drug makers got around that.
So the chemists, and I've described them as evil chemists, just slightly changed the molecular architecture of these compounds to avoid detection as a controlled substance. Unfortunately, the state of California has not kept up with these chemists.
Because the chemicals keep changing, there's no way to completely predict how the body will respond. Sometimes that means seizures, comas, or hallucinations. Now the city is trying to boost its ability to stop spice sales.
So it's sort of a cat and mouse game right now, and we want to get away from that where we're just listing a compound that could change the very next day and just talk about what is it doing to the human body.
With help from scientists, city lawmakers aim to ban not just a specific list of chemicals, but any chemical that would cause spice to affect the brain. The city attorney aims to bring the new law to city council by the end of the month. Claire Tregesser, KPBS News.